In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3D models animation in PowerPoint, Microsoft 365. We'll start by making sure the 3D model tools are visible on your ribbon, because that's what unlocks quick access to inserting and animating 3D objects. Open your PowerPoint presentation so you're on any slide. Next, go to the area where you can customize the ribbon. If you're not already there, open the PowerPoint options window and choose Customize Ribbon. This is where we'll turn on the tools you need. On the left side of this window, you'll see a section labeled Choose Commands From. Click the drop down and switch it to All tabs. This expands the list so you can easily find the 3D tools. Now look to the right side, under Customize the Ribbon. There's a similar drop down there as well. Open it and also choose All tabs. Doing this on both sides makes the left and right lists line up by tab names, which keeps things clear while you add items. Return to the left list and scroll down until you find 3D Model Tools or 3D Model. Select it. With it highlighted, click the Add button in the center to move it to the list on the right, which represents what will appear on your ribbon. If your version shows subgroups under 3D Model, the Add button can include the whole group, so you get everything you need in one go. Now switch your focus to the right list and scroll down. You should see that 3D Model is now included there. Make sure its checkbox is selected so the tab or group actually shows up. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply your changes and return to your presentation. That's it. The 3D model tools are now available on your ribbon. A quick check. You should see 3D options when you select an inserted 3D object, and you'll have access to 3D specific tools and controls. If you don't see the new tools, confirm you clicked OK and that the checkbox next to 3D model is turned on in the Customize Ribbon screen. It also helps to keep Microsoft 365 updated so these features are available. With the tools enabled, you're ready to insert a 3D model and animate it. You'll be able to access built-in 3D scenes and motion options, adjust rotation and playback, and fine-tune timing so your model moves smoothly during the slideshow. Enabling the ribbon tools is the key first step. Now you're set up to bring your slides to life with engaging 3D animations.